It's a silver medal there for Neeraj Chopra, the defending champion as far as javelin is concerned. Well, he finishes with a silver in the javelin event, but it's Pakistan's Arshad Nadeem who stunned everyone, smashing the Olympic record not once but twice. That means that Neeraj Chopra's crown's been taken away from him. However, he still returns to India with an 89.4 meter throw that's seen him seal the silver medal at the Olympics. It's historic in many ways already. But you talk about the expectation from Neeraj Chopra, it was that of a gold medal, and unfortunately though, he wasn't able to get the better of the Pakistan javelin thrower in Arshad Nadeem, who stunned everyone inside the stadium with his... Neeraj Chopra's father is giving a reaction right now. Listen in.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सभी अपने देश के लिए फाइट कर रहे थे, सभी का अपना दिन होता है खिलाड़ी का, और हमें सिल्वर मिला, खुशी है हमें बहुत।
लेकिन अर्शद नदीम ने असंभव सा एक भाला फेंका। अब क्या लगता है आने वाले समय में ये और कंपटीशन जो टफ होगा?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल टफ होगा, सभी अपने देश के लिए लड़ते हैं और आने वाला टाइम और भी टफ होगा और बच्चे और भी निखर के आएंगे।
नीरज के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप नीरज से?
भाई यही कहना चाहेंगे, उसने अपने देश के लिए जी जान लगा दी, अपनी तरफ से उसने 100% दिया।
100% की तरफ से एक बार क्या कहेंगे नीरज को? सबसे पहले नीरज का मैसेज।
ये बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस उसकी रही है, उसने देश के लिए मेडल जीता है, बहुत खुशी की बात है।
नीरज ने एक बार फिर साबित करा है कि एशिया में क्या दुनिया में
खड़ा खड़ा
नहीं है, लेकिन आज की परफॉर्मेंस जो सिल्वर के साथ रही है। एक सेकंड यार, यश फ्रेम में है यार, यश फ्रेम में लाइव है।
आराम से खड़े हो जाओ, आराम से।
लाइव आ रहा है। क्या एक फाइनल मैसेज? एक फाइनल से आराम से फाइनल मैसेज।
थोड़े से पीछे खड़े हो, थोड़े से पीछे खड़े हो। एक मिनट, एक लाइव है, लाइव ले एक बार। एक मिनट एएनआई का ले, बोल भाई बोल।
सर हाँ, नीरज चोपड़ा।
एक मिनट, आवाज नहीं, आवाज नहीं।
लड्डू खिला दो पहले। अरे मैडम क्या विजुअल्स अगर हमको। सर नीरज चोपड़ा सिल्वर मेडल, एक मिनट किस तरह से क्या कहना चाहेंगे? सिल्वर मेडल है, पहले एथलीट है, लगातार तो बैक टू बैक मेडल।
जी बिल्कुल, अपने देश के लिए खूब फाइट किया उसने, सिल्वर मेडल जीता है, बड़ी खुशी है हमारे लिए कि अभी तक हम ब्रोंज जीते हुए थे, अभी हमने सिल्वर जीता है, पूरे देश में खुशी होनी चाहिए।
नीरज अपनी परफॉर्मेंस से खुद निराश लगे, 4 फाउल हुए, क्या कहेंगे? अगर फाउल नहीं होता तो क्या गोल्ड भी आ सकता था पाकिस्तान के? अर्शद नदीम की जगह
देखो सही में जो हमें लगता है, जो उसको ग्रोइंग इंजरी थी, वो उसी के कारण शायद कुछ जूझ रहे थे और उसी में कोई दिक्कत रही है।
आगे सर, आगे के लिए क्या आप देख रहे हैं? इतना बड़ा, कितने लोगों को प्रेरणा मिलेगी?
क्या
प्रेरणा कितने युवाओं को मिलेगी सर? इतना बड़ा होता है।
पूरे भारत को मिलेगी, जितने युवा खिलाड़ी हैं सभी प्रेरित होंगे कि भाई 2 बार अपने मतलब ओलंपिक में फाइट की है और मेडल जीता है, और आने वाले ओलंपिक में भी देश के लिए जी जान लगा देगा।
पहला सिल्वर मेडल है।
Let me go across to Nikhil Naz, who was there when the action was taking place. Nikhil, after that 92.97 meter throw from Arshad Nadeem, clearly Neeraj was under some sort of pressure. What is it that you could sense from Neeraj Chopra that was different from the Neeraj Chopra of the past that we've seen?
Well, you know, the one major difference, Harshit, is obviously him being under pressure. Usually, if you look at his World Championship, you look at his Asian Games, as well as the Olympic gold that came last time, it's usually Neeraj who sets the benchmark. His first throw or the first couple of throws always is the throw that puts him into either first or second. And from there on, the pressure is down to everyone else that is chasing him. So it's the pack that always ends up chasing him. This time, the shoe was on the other foot. There was somebody in an Arshad Nadeem who not only took lead, but took lead in a fashion that hadn't been seen on the javelin field before for a very long time. 93.97, that's the mark that we hadn't seen in a very long time in the javelin. So the benchmark that he set, from there on, the pressure is clearly there on Neeraj Chopra. Though kudos to Neeraj that he got his season's best at 89.45 after Arshad had thrown the 92.97. Yet it was never going to be enough for the Indian, because if you look at Neeraj's record overall, he's never gone past the 90-meter mark. So you knew as soon as Arshad threw 92.97, you knew that the gold medal was his because nobody in the field, not just this season, for a very long time, had gone past the 90-meter mark. So you knew what Arshad had come up with was very special. In fact, if you look at Arshad's reaction right after throwing that, he himself looked very surprised. We knew from the start that the dark horse in this field was always going to be Arshad Nadeem because he was one of those rare people in this field who had thrown a 90-meter. But that 90-meter had come about 2 years ago, and it had come in the absence of a Neeraj Chopra. So when he was to come up against a tougher opposition, when he was to come up against an Olympic medalist, we did not expect this kind of approach. Really, Arshad really has been working on his javelin. He himself coming through an injury, had a very underwhelming season so far, and then to come and perform the way he did. If I was to sum it up in one word, I'd say it was a bolt from the blue. Absolutely a bolt from the blue, the way that he threw that javelin.
Absolutely, not just crossing the 90 mark once, but he in fact goes on to does it the second time as well. It's a feat that possibly rattled Neeraj Chopra because he personally hadn't gone past the 90-meter mark, and after 92.97 meters that we all saw from Arshad Nadeem, clearly Neeraj Chopra, and it reflected in the fact that there were so many foul attempts from Neeraj Chopra.